This is how to install, restore, and reset MetaMask. Everything you need to know to stay safe. MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet in the form of an application. You can use it for multiple currencies and networks. To do it safely first, make sure you are using the official website of MetaMask, which is metamask.io. Click Download. Select the appropriate version you are interested in. This may take a few minutes. And install. Then we have to wait a while for the application to install. Next, we read the regulations that we have to accept. If this is our first account, click Create a new wallet. Later, I will show you how to recover an account you created in the past. Here is consent to analytical data. I am pressing No thanks. Now, a very important part, we need to set a password that will be secure enough. Don't show it to anyone and never save it on your computer. You will use this password to log into MetaMask on the device you are currently using. Please make sure your password is unique. Now you will see the instructions for the security phrase. I click Secure my wallet. And the most important part of this material, if you lose the phrase visible on the screen, you will never regain access to your wallet. This phrase will be needed to log into your account on the new device, either after resetting the device or installing a new browser. If you lose the seed phrase, you lose your money forever. Don't save it on your computer because your computer may crash. Do it properly and write down the seed on a piece of paper. Now you see my security key. It means the wallet I create will never be secure again. With this key, anyone in the world can open my wallet at any time. And this is why you need to take proper care of your safety. In the next step, we are asked to verify our password. This is to check if you wrote everything down correctly. And after that, everything is done, the wallet is ready to use. This is what the main panel looks like. In a separate material, I will teach you how to use all the functions of this application. But first, I will show you how to regain access to the application using the generated key so that you avoid the risk of losing money. We will pin the extension for better visibility. This is how to restore MetaMask access. You will go through this process after reinstalling your browser or changing your computer. Sometimes something breaks, so it's worth knowing what to do in advance. You will need your seed phrase to complete this process. Without the seed phrase, accessing your old wallet is not possible. You need to install MetaMask from the official website as we did in the previous stage. I reset my program to show you the entire process from the beginning. We read the regulations that we have to accept. Click Important account you created in the past. Here is consent to analytical data. I am pressing No thanks. Now we are asked to enter our security phrase. After entering our 12 words, you have to confirm. Now, we need to set a password to log into your account on this device. Please make sure your password is unique. And after that, everything is done, the wallet is ready to use. We will pin the extension for better visibility. In this video, I will show you one more important thing, which is how to reset your password. You can't reset the seed phrase, but you can reset your login password. If you want to do this, log out from MetaMask and select Forgot Password. Here you need to enter your seed phrase again to create a new login password. When you do this, enter your new password at the end and click Confirm. you can see that we log into the exact same wallet every time. This is because each address has a unique seed key that is never repeated. And this is why blockchain is safe. If you don't make a mistake through your own fault, there is a very small chance that something bad will happen to your funds. At the moment, we see one address, one network, and one account. In the next video, I will show you how to send and receive transfers, how to set up additional profiles and why they are useful, how to add other networks, and how to use MetaMask as safely as possible. At the very end, remember the 3 most important rules. 1. Secure your seed phrase and password and never show them to anyone. If you lose them, you will also lose your money, and we don't want that. Write down all passwords in an analog format on a piece of paper to prevent unnecessary problems in case of theft or damage to your computer. 2. Never take action if you don't know what you're doing. Every wrong click can deprive you of funds, so it is important to know exactly what you are doing. If you are unsure, always do your research before taking action. Actions on the blockchain cannot be undone. If you make a mistake, there will be no chance to fix it. 3. Don't trust anyone. In the world of money and cryptocurrencies, you have to be very careful. Very often, various websites or fraudsters will try to extort your money. All this together can make you successful. If you are a beginner in the world of cryptocurrencies, this may be a lot for you. But I promise you that my guides will help you understand this world and navigate it safely. You can use them completely for free. If you're looking for comprehensive knowledge in one place, I invite you to my training on the Udemy platform. The link is below this video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Good luck!